The injection system is a subsystem of the interferometer that takes care of the light, the requirements of the light that enters the injection is injected then in the interferometer. So our work here is to try to make it work properly, and for that we need a very complex system. This system is based on different optical tables that contain all this material. We need to assure that the light arrives at the beginning of the interferometer with a very stable power and line width. In this phase of the commissioning, I mean the last part of the commission, because in a few months we will have the run, our contribution is to be available all the time and try to act on the system effectively if we have any emergency or any situation that requires our help. Another thing is to try to work on the noise hunting of the interferometer. We need to take the noise of the interferometer as low as we can, and for this we take care of the noise of the injection system.